Hey, how's it going, everybody? Hope everyone's staying healthy and well during these tough times. It is a gloomy day out here in Texas, but we're gonna try to make the best of it. Haven't drove this car in maybe 4 days, and just getting pretty boring staying in the house. So I'm just gonna go on a little drive, take you guys along, and let's go ahead and get a cold start for you guys. Guys, so we're finna merge on the highway here. Just get out the house, and you know, it's better than being home, you know. Let's get everything. It's a little wet outside. We don't want to go too crazy. Come on, bud. Give me some space here. Alright guys, so we actually just made it onto the highway. Finna go up on this bridge here and get a little scenery. Looks like somebody spun out here. Just been chilling at the house, really. It's gonna be nice to just get out for a little bit. So I'm actually pretty lucky to be living out here in the Arlington, Texas area. We got Summit Racing right over there. I don't know if you guys can see that there. Man, that place is perfect where it's at, man. It's like 10 minutes away from my house, and it's just perfect. That's why I got most of these modifications, man. You just go pick it up, no delivery, no nothing. Just go ahead and get it. I don't know, with everything going on right now, I don't know if they're still open or not. I'm pretty sure they're closed, it looks like. Let's go ahead and merge here. So I guess we could talk about what I got planned for this car. So far, I don't know if you guys have seen my other video where I've talked about all my modifications I've done. But so far, performance-wise, I just have an intake, and I put some flow masters on there. It's nothing major, but I'm not planning to go too far with this car. I'm planning on upgrading, getting something a little bit easier to tune. Maybe something turbocharged, supercharged. I'm not looking for anything naturally aspirated. It gets pretty expensive trying to get some horsepower out of these cars, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. But they're fun cars, you know. And this guy, man. Man, I love them underpasses, man. You never get old. So on the topic of tuning, guys, with these new gen Mopars, they're really hard to tune just because you have to like get a whole unlocked PCM, and then you got to buy a tune. That's if you're planning to do like a dyno tune or a street tune of some sort. But yeah, tuning these cars gets pretty expensive, honestly, just because the PCM situation. But there's plenty of things you can do to get these tuned, man. But honestly, I don't think it's worth it, because you know, just from a tune with a naturally aspirated car, it's pretty difficult to get any gains out of it. But you know, it is what it is. Tesla. Come on, guys. Let me get it. Nice going, buddy. paddle shifter action, man. Hear that intake, man. That thing is sick. And that's another thing I really recommend for these cars, man. Aftermarket intakes are great for these cars. You know, you're gonna get some gains out of it, but it's not gonna be nothing crazy. The sound is pretty great depending on which route you go. I went with the AFE Momentum GT, and those things are they're a little bit more on the expensive side, but honestly I feel like they're worth it. And this Honda really pushing it behind me, man. That boy's going quick. Oh, she's pushing that Honda for real. Take this exit here. Another thing with this whole everything going on, the gas prices have gone way lower. Check that out, man. 142, and I haven't seen it get down there for a while. But I mean, there's not much to do out here anyways, so you're not really wasting too much gas. I rarely drive this car in sport mode, but when I do, it's just a whole different car, man. Like, once you get on that gas, man, she's moving. And then them downshifts be really aggressive. Man, even with this whole lockdown going on, guys, there's a pretty healthy amount of cars roaming around. You would think there wouldn't be as many people out here, but hey, everybody gotta do their thing. Life goes on. Check it out, guys. Even with this drive I just went on in sport mode, I'm gaining some MPGs, man. Man, them underpasses are fun. Well, guys, it's been pretty fun here riding around, and I think I'm gonna just wrap it up here. There's not much to do, but it was a fun drive. Get back home and just relax, I guess.